Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As always, it is Nick here, back with your daily crypto news and analysis. And we have a lot to address. Listen, as we really look at what's happening right now around the space, stablecoins have to be 100% one of the most important things to focus on right now. With Mika about to be a game changer for stablecoins, with Ripple about to launch their stablecoin, and also even stablecoins around specific networks, I'm not going to say it yet, launching, things are getting very, very interesting. But before we dive on in, I just want to say I hope everybody's having a beautiful day or a beautiful night wherever you guys are out there in the world. Let's address this post here from Ripple. The global stablecoin race is on, and this is back in November of 2022. Now, the reason why they were saying this is because of the $1 trillion in monthly trading volume that was the highest ever back in August of 2022. Now, mind you, back in 2022, we were in a bear market. It was one of the worst years for crypto to date. And even though it was, we still saw a massive amount of stablecoin volume. And it even hit $11 trillion in total payments back in 2022, rivaling Visa's dominance. And that is something crucial to note, especially when we go back over here and we scroll down, we could see all of the major moves happening around the XRP-L with major partnerships around Stably and even Stasis. They were already looking at the XRP-L as being a major player around stablecoins even back in 2022. And we already know that today, stablecoins are a great way to provide a welcome mat for institutions into the DeFi space, which Ripple is fully focused on, even around the XRP-L, with major partnerships just recently and even the openings in terms of the jobs that Ripple has been posting. Now, before we continue on, I just want to let you guys know that right now is the best time to join the free Discord. Did I say free? Yeah, it's free. You can join the free Discord right now. It got a massive upgrade. There's a ton of free insights, ton of great information around this space. You guys can join by clicking the link in the top of the description below, as well as in the comments below. Now, with that in mind, let's go over here to the full breakdown of stablecoins. So stablecoins are the biggest secular trend in the crypto economy next to Bitcoin, yet few here talk about them due to the limited ability to speculate on their growth. Nearly every stablecoin metric is at all-time highs. What are your options for exposure in public markets? Direct, MKR is the only issuer that's reached critical mass and is publicly available. Circle and Tether are private. Others are too small to move the needle. The AI growth is primed to accelerate with Endgame, roll-up integrations, and new bridge launch, ENA. Could be quality exposure too, as it's poised to win share from USDT as collateral on derivatives exchanges, but isn't really a stablecoin. It's a tokenized hedge fund and suffers from unfavorable supply overhang and inflated FDV. In direct, Ethereum, Solana, TRX are the leading settlement infrastructure for stablecoins. I also do think that XRP could be mentioned here as well, and even HBAR. I mean, HBAR has been absolutely killing the game in terms of stablecoins, but Ton is also positioned to be a leading player here as well, with USDT transfer being available to their 900 million plus users. Coin is also great indirect exposure given they jointly issue USDC with Circle, but USDC is not Coinbase's primary business. All could be quality exposure, but once again, not direct. And if we actually look at this, right, like look at the growth of stablecoin activity, even throughout the bear market. Again, I mentioned that because even back in 2021, you could see the transaction count and also even the unique active addresses growing even from 2021 and beyond. And in 2023, these hit major highs. At the end of actually 2022, they hit major highs. Into 2023, they started to drop a little bit, but now they're starting to pick up yet again. And over here, we have relative on-chain transaction value USD terms. We also have Ethereum here, Bitcoin, stables, and other layer ones. Now, also, if we go over here, we can see the total stablecoin supply, again, on the upward move here. 2021, we saw it go crazy. 2022, we saw it continue to go crazy. And now in 2024, it's heating up yet again. And here we also have stablecoin transaction volumes. You could see them in terms of the major chains that are dominating here. The big one is obviously Solana with all of the meme coin craze and things like that. But the growth is definitely something to focus on. And it's why when we really look at Ripple, this is why they are launching, their own stablecoin, because they already see how big the stablecoin market is becoming. But they already knew about this back in 2022. They knew that the global stablecoin race was on. They warned us about this ahead of time. But guess what we just saw today? Flare Networks, working with Hex Trust, is now launching another stablecoin within this market, USDX. This is crazy because it shows you that almost everyone is focused on stablecoin initiatives at a time where they are just continuing to boom and continuing to provide even more value to the space, especially for institutions. Now, as we do think about this, you might be questioning like, all right, well, where does XRP stand in all of this? Why, do I have exposure to stablecoins with XRP? Well, it's very simple, right? Not only is a Ripple stablecoin going to be on the XRP ledger and Ethereum, but if we go over here, we have the global financial system is experiencing a unanimous increase in demand for stablecoins centered around utility, liquidity, and trust. The benefits of Ripple stablecoin is enterprise grade, compliance first, transparency, liquidity on the DEX as well. And that last one is a big one to focus on. Even if we look at this, right, this is championing blockchain and crypto utility with Ripple's USD-backed stablecoin. Now, XRP is mentioned 15 times here, but this is the first one. Additionally, leveraging a trusted enterprise-grade stablecoin alongside XRP in Ripple payments will support greater liquidity and enable global and on and off ramps to service cross-border payments demand at scale. That's a big one, because for the longest time, we weren't really tapped in on a lot of corridors at scale. It was a little bit of it's just like tapping into the surface of it. There's so much left to explore because XRP right now is not as valuable for those high throughput or even just large scale corridors just yet. There's not enough liquidity behind XRP for that. But this is going to be a game changer, and it's going to provide even more volume and value moving over the network, which is directly impacting XRP because XRP is utilized in all those transactions. This is a game changer. I've always talked about it in that way as well. But we also see a few other mentions here around XRP. For some time now, Ripple has leveraged a combination of assets, including XRP, fiat, and stablecoins. And we even have leveraging the stablecoin and XRP will improve the overall payments experience for customers around the world. It will also allow them to tap into those bigger, corridors. I think that this is going to be a game changer. And also when we talk about the AMM, when we talk about everything happening here around XRP, it is the perfect storm, especially as we do start to see a lot more stablecoin initiatives launching around the space, which I do personally believe that we will, especially with this one with like Flare, for an example. This is going to be the new norm around the space. But outside of that, remember what David Schwartz did tell us, a high quality USD stablecoin on the XRP ledger with its decentralized exchange and features like issued currencies, auto bridging that uses XRP as the native currency to facilitate trades between other assets, and the AMM will be a game changer for users and devs. And it completely will, right? Like when you look at the AMM, when you look at the auto bridging, like all of this stuff is going to provide so much value to not only the ledger, but to XRP directly. And this is something that I am personally watching very, very closely right now, especially as we do start to see, like I said, more stablecoin launches happening, more institutions looking at stablecoin initiatives and just utilizing them. Remember, this is a perfect bridge for those major players. And then also over here, we have from vet_x0. Remember, from the Ripple Q1 2024 market report, they even did mention the auto bridging feature, and they also even said that as the native currency on XRP ledger, XRP is inherently counterparty free as well, which is a big one. Makes it perfect to market make between assets and as a result the most liquid token on the XRP ledger. And when we think about that, right, the auto bridging selects the native currency but also selects the most liquid currency. XRP is that. This is a big thing to focus on. But also, as we go over here to Ripple's new report, which is stablecoins, it is estimated that the stablecoin market could reach $3 trillion by 2028. And when we go over here, there's a substantial breakdown. I went and actually did a summarization of this with AI, and we have a leading asset manager predicts that the stablecoin market will surge to $3 trillion in the next 4 years, a 22-fold increase from its current size. Understanding this growth requires recognizing the significant role stablecoins play in financial markets, given their utility and innovative properties stemming from blockchain technology. what is a stablecoin and how does it work? Stablecoins are privately issued digital assets pegged to fiat currencies or commodities like USD or gold. Their value remains relatively stable by tracking these underlying assets. They aim to merge the rapid processing and security of cryptocurrencies with the stability of traditional currencies through stability, though stability is not guaranteed. Now, they do break down the types, but here we have the use cases. So fiat collateralized, this is useful for daily transactions, cross-border payments, cryptocurrency, trading pairs, and even DeFi applications. This is what Ripple is launching. And this is also why I say like Ripple is focused on those DeFi applications, specifically catering to institutions. Then we also have crypto collateralized and algorithmic, and you can really kind of see what these are focused on. Here's the differences between CBDCs and stablecoins, and then also we have the future state of finance. The financial landscape is evolving towards a frictionless value exchange system. Stablecoins and CBDCs promise advancements in cashless payments, new financial products, and simplified operations, though widespread infrastructure and adoption are still developing. But Ripple is at the forefront of this. Ripple is sitting here, and they're telling you like, hey, listen, you know, the race is on, and we want to be a part of it. That's why they chose now to launch a stablecoin. This is going to be a big one. And also over here from a recent video, big shout out to XRP Drops and also Silvio Peguero. We have on Ripple stablecoin strategy. The use of the stablecoin depends a lot on optimization, which corridor, which route is the easiest, which could be the most liquid, which would be the cheapest for us and the most efficient to deliver with quality. If we make Ripple stablecoin on top of the XRP ledger, it becomes native to our ecosystem, so all products are native to the XRP ledger. This is very efficient and becomes more integrated with Ripple, and check it out.
A stablecoin ela faz parte dessa nossa estratégia de plataforma full stack, né? De uma plataforma completa.
And you guys can read the captions here if you can see it. I'm going to zoom in just so that you guys can see it. Hopefully it is not blocked, but here you guys have it.
Onde ela vai, assim como a gente usa o XRP como digital assets para utilizar, fazer parte das nossas engrenagens, tentando ser o mais didático possível, nossas engrenagens, nossos produtos de pagamentos internacionais, também a gente poderia usar também uma stablecoin.
Entendi.
Então depende muito com relação à otimização. Qual corredor, qual caminho seria mais fácil, qual que seria com a liquidez, qual que seria mais barato para a gente e com maior eficiência de entregar com qualidade, né? Para entregar a ponta B. Então a gente escolhe entre o XRP e também o stablecoin.
Entendi. E aí, a ideia da stablecoin, por exemplo, ao invés de vocês precisarem usar uma stablecoin de outra empresa, uma Tether, uma USDC, vocês têm uma stablecoin própria de vocês para usar, se for necessário. A ideia é meio que essa.
Sim, porque se a gente faz uma stablecoin em cima do XRP Ledger, né, do XRP, da Ledger, né, do XRP, ela passa a ser nativa do nosso ecossistema. Então, todos os produtos são nativos da XRP Ledger. Então, isso seria muito mais... Na parte de eficiência, tal, fica bem mais integrado com a gente. Então, eu acho que isso faz todo sentido pra gente. E aí, claro, a gente vê que o stablecoin ele é muito forte no mundo de... Até empresas utilizam muito para fazer cross-border, né, fazer pagamentos internacionais. E a gente percebe também que o stablecoin, no mundo mais consumer, que não é muito o nosso caso, mas comentando, as pessoas utilizam muito mais para você sair de um posicionamento de cripto volátil. Né? Então a gente está caminhando, não preciso agora preciso sair da posição de risco, né? Vai para o stablecoin. Né? Então a gente percebe que tem muita coisa e é um mercado gigantesco, né? O mercado, se não me engano, os números são até 2028, um mercado de 2,8 trilhões de dólares.
Acho que é isso mesmo, projeção.
Então é um mercado gigantesco. Então acho que a gente percebe que faz aderência à nossa estratégia ter um stablecoin. Então por isso que a gente está planejando lançar até o final do ano.
There you guys have it. And again, you know, their original plan here was we need a stablecoin because we don't want to utilize, you know, USDC or Tether. We want to have something that's integrated with Ripple. We want something that's integrated with the entire ecosystem that's not only benefiting the entire ecosystem, but also it's something that we can offer to our clients if they want to get out of volatile crypto assets or, you know, trade with it or pay with it, whatever. It helps benefit the overall use case and the focus of ripples. And also, he does mention the overall market growth here around stablecoins. It's massive, and it definitely is. So with that being said, if you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys did, definitely leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications on. If you guys want more free content, you guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord in the description below. And with that being said, guys, it's been Nick. Thanks for watching. Peace out.